Halo korang, kembali lagi dalam channel ni. So hari ni kita ada game yang bertajuk Cold City. So dikatakan bahawa game ni dia macam ada satu trauma girl dengan kawasan yang orang kata terkena efek dengan peperangan. So kalau korang dah ready, duduk diam, makan popcorn dan jom kita tengok Act 1 Mirror Man. Oh. Okay. Pahal. Hello? Pahal tu teruk sangat. Weh. Kosong tu. Kosong teruk. Bang. 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 Hello. 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 Ada gema weh. Kosong teruk. Apa ni? Disuruh apa? Tak ada apa. Bagus. Sekejap. Aku tukar setting kejap. Okay, aku rasa better lah. Tak adalah macam choppy sangat kan. Ni apa benda ni? Surat apa? It's a note that's been slipped under your door. No, itu surat khabar. Tai betul. To all Block 28 residents, this is an emergency. Evacuate the city immediately. Okay, bye. Wee. Dia nak evacuate macam mana tu? Like, kau bayangkan lah. Kau mula-mula masuk dia dah bergegar semua ni. Apa kau tengok kat luar apa aku tak tahu. It's your phone. Okay. Lepas tu kau nak aku buat apa? Memang telefon aku. Takkan telefon lain. It's a picture of the cinema that Maddie used to visit. Okay. Maddie loves the movies. Woo. Hey, shout out to Maddie, yo. It's locked. Okay dah, aku tak boleh nak buat apa-apa. Bagus. Ada bunyi? Okay. The phone is ringing. Surprisingly, it's Maddie. Maddie! Hello, babe. What the hell is going on? I don't know. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am. Please don't worry about me. Are you hurt? I don't think so. Tak, kenapa setiap kali di mula dialog ni kau nak kena nafas macam tu? Aku tak faham. Aku annoying gila. I don't think so. I mean, I didn't feel hurt. Okay, I'll come over. No, please don't. Really, I'm fine. I only wanted to ask if you know what was happening. You sure? I should really come over. Okay. But I don't think the bridge to block 39 is still open. I'll try. Tak, kenapa pintu tu terbuka? Aku tak buka pintu tu. Hello? No, convenient teruk. Block 28 resident 225. Pintu tu buka ke? Kita boleh buat apa-apa kat sini ke? Hello? Hello? Block resident. Kenapa pintu tu terbuka sikit? Hello? Kenapa aku boleh tolak pintu ni? Bro, chill. Aku ada chill, bro. Hello? Aku tak boleh tutup. It's an unwashed plate. Your neighbor left in hurry. Dah lah pengotor, kau tinggal je. Apa benda ni? It's a short note written by your neighbor. Read. To Maddie, I protect you. Kau siapa tu? Kata nak I protect you. Tak, kenapa gelap sebenar ni? Inspect. The text on the screen reads Block 28 bridge access. You don't know the code. Leave. It's locked. Bunyi apa tu? Bro, bunyi apa tu? Hello? Aku tak balik sewa rumah lagi ke? Kau duduk situ. Nah. Aku rasa masing-masing ada masalah. Apa tu? Ada benda baru? Pintu ni pula boleh buka. Ini. It's a small mirror with a note attached to it. Okay, read. I know the code for the bridge. Let's help out each other. Tadi bukan tak ada siapa-siapa. Hello? Kenapa Okay. Hello? Sampai kat sini ke? Benda tu. Okay, dia kata it's not. Please help me fix my special mirror. The impact made it fall off the table and it's broke. I don't know what to do without it. Kenapa aku kena It's a small padlock with a symbol of an eye. Tak, kenapa aku yang kena? It's a mirror shard 1/3. Okay. Mungkin aku letak sini. Kablam! Okay, lepas tu pintu ni kenapa lah tu tutup balik? Tak, aku masuk rumah siapa ni ya Robby? Masuk tandas orang. A note is pinned. Aku tahu baca. There's an ugly spot on the right side of my neck. My eyes look awful. I think there's something wrong with my skin. The screwdriver was sharp enough. The ugly spot is Siapa tu? There's something stuck in the toilet. Okay. Siapa tu? Kalau kau berani kau tunjukkan diri kau. Aku takut. Kenapa bilik ni warna merah Ew, what's that? Ew, what's that? It's a snow notebook. Fix, teeth, eyebrows, nail, skin. To be fixed, eyes. My eyes look awful. Boleh aku ambil screwdriver tu? Siapa tu? Bro. Siapa tu? Bro. Kalau ada orang cakap aku tak masuk. Aku tak tahu nak buat apa It's a small padlock with a symbol of an eye. Okay, aku tak faham pun sebenarnya. Aku try jadi smart korang Kena masuk tandas ni tu. Takut. Memang ada warna hitam. Hitam ni pula apa? Memang ada berdarah-darah ni ke? Ada orang ke? Ada orang ke? Masuk Bro, dia keadaan sekarang ni terlalu senyap. Aku jadi macam apa benda aku buat ni. Aku rasa ada orang kat sini. Hello? Hello? Lock pula. Damn. Sabar. Siapa tu? Apa tu? What's that? Hello, what's that? Everything's broken and leaking and all. And all what? Oh, and leaking and all. Okay. Sorry. Aku ingat and. They said they sent someone over to fix things out, but they didn't. But they never did. Mungkin dia sibuk pun, nak ada masalah. It's a set of pipes leading to the bedroom downstairs. Something could be attached to the holder. So maksudnya kita kena cari something macam kita pusing benda lah ni. Tapi aku tak tahu apa benda yang kita cari. Kenapa lah semua benda yang aku...
Oh my god, what is that?
Maksud benda... Mayat ke tu? Bro, tu macam kulit. Bro, siapa ni bro? Siapa biawak dalam ni? It's an IK 3 use stick. Bro, siapa salin kulit ni? Bro, satu masa je ada orang kat sini. Macam bilik apa benda siap. Siapa punya tali pinggang tu? There's a note pinned on the back of the closet. I'll try again tomorrow. I've lost my saw. What do you mean by you lose your saw? Bukan kau tak boleh saw sebab mata kau hilang ke? Tidum. Okay, kita dah 3 use. So maksudnya kita boleh guna untuk 3 benda. So jenis 1 tadi. Aku rasa belakang ni ada 1. Okay. Pipe valve. Nice. Nice. Siapa main dengan kaca tu? Aku dengar macam orang main dengan kaca yang ketek. Punya mentol ni. Give us a sign. Tiba. Ingat main Phasmophobia ke? Pak Kit. Hey, hello. Selalu. Okay. Aku tak tahu kenapa aku jumpy sangat. Nakut gila aku ni. So dah tentu. Of course lah, maksudnya kita kena pergi toilet bawah sana. It's a mirror shot, okay. Apa benda pula tu? Siapa pula buka pintu tu? Okay. Aku nyorok kat sini dulu Tak boleh tutup lah. Tak boleh tutup doh. Tangan aku dah menggigil lah. Apa? Terus kunci. Siapa kunci? Bapa. Teruk kira. Pintu tu terbuka. Wow, kenapa aku ni? Hello bang, abang okey ke? Bang, abang okey ke bang? Bang, abang tengok apa tu? Abang tengok apa tu bang? It's a pair of human eyes. Abang nak saya masukkan ke? Relax lah. Dia buat macam ni, macam kau tahu, macam joystick. Kau tahu tak kalau kau pergi arcade lepas tu orang main gendang, bunyi dia macam ni. Aku, telinga aku jadi pekak dah ni. My awful eyes are gone. The pain will be worth it. The pain. Make it stop. Okay lah bang, bye. So aku ada 2 mata. Aku nak buat apa dengan 2 mata tu? Aku boleh pergi sini pula. Stop. It's a pair of rotating sockets. 2 small round objects could fit. Of course. Okay. It's a set of socket with 2 human eyes on top. Rotate left eye. Rotate right eye. Oh. Tapi aku nak buat apa sebenarnya, aku pun tak tahu. Mari tengok dalam ni ada apa. It's a note. The halfways are empty. I'm stuck in here with all these mirrors. From now on, I'll only look at the broken ones. Oh. So, rotate left eye, dia akan pergi sini. Rotate left eye, pergi sini. Relax. Tenang. Aku nak settlekan masalah ni. Rotate right eye, dia akan pergi sini. Benda tu. Ada orang tak? Okay, apa yang keluar? Oh, sini. Mirror shot, okay. Bang ni, kalau ni kemas lah. Dia hilang tu. Bang, abang nampak tak? Sian abang. Okay, the mirror is complete. You notice some text inscribed at the bottom. I have fixed all my imperfections. She will love me now. Maddie will love me now. Okay. Hey! Ish! Kenapa dia aku? Bengong betul lah. Okay, Act 2 ngomong ke? Okay. It's a note. As promised, the code for the bridge is 22000. Okay, aku nak lalu mana pula ni? Dah kat mana pula ni? Apa benda pula ni? It's a small book of poems you've written about Maddie. It's titled My Heart in the Cold City. You have never shown her any of your okay, sebelum start lagi. You have never shown her any of your poems, but writing things down makes them so delightfully real. Okay? This is real. Nothing is real. What's that? It's a poster of an old movie about a brave one-legged hero who protects a girl during a war. It's one of Maddie's favorite. So, bilik aku rupanya. The phone is ringing. It's Maddie. Maddie, again. You don't have to come over. I'm fine, really. I'll come over anyway. Think of your own safety, please. Don't worry. Alright. Francis, but please don't misunderstand this. Maksudnya? Please don't misunderstand this. So maksudnya, so maksudnya dia bagi. Okay, take care. Love you. No, kata-kata keramat. Love you. Lepas tu kau kena serang. Tudut. Okay, so sekarang ni siapa sebenarnya yang congkil mata tu? Like kalau itu kita, so maksudnya benda tu real ke tak real? Enter code 22000. Tak, kenapa masih lagi macam ni? Kenapa tu? Wow. Imagine kalau aku tiba-tiba terlompat ke sini. Wow. Macam budak. Woi. Aku baru nak cakap macam budak. Jakun. Sijap betul. Damn, kita kat dunia di sebalik bayang. Bang. Okey ke bang? Where is block 28? For so long, and what do I get in return? Do you need help? Hundreds. No. Thousands dead. Where's my reward? I thought she would. It hurts. There's some pills in the bunker to your left. Oops, sorry korang. Bring them and I'll get you to block 29. The pilots give you the bunker key. No, dia kata left tadi. Masalah convenience ni, namanya ada bunker kat sini. Dekat tempat yang mana-mana kosong. Tempat kosong. Jangan cakap aku kena masuk tempat ya. Lagi sekali. It's a note written by the pilot. Okay. She needs me. I'll do anything for her. I'll do anything for her. It's your phone, okay? The boat is boarded up. The keyhole is surprisingly large. There's a bottle of pills on the table. Okay, so sekarang ni kita kena ni lah. The phone is ringing. It's Maddie. Actually, don't come over. Please don't. Why not? I only call because of that bomb. Don't take this wrong way. Tak, aku rasa dah 3 kali dah aku tukar suara dia. So aku akan tukar kepada dia yang macam cocky sikit. Okay. I was just worried about you. I shouldn't have called. Maybe it's my fault. It's not your fault. It doesn't matter. Just go, leave me alone. Just hang up the phone. Tak boleh ke kau buat benda ni lagi secret sikit? Nak tutup lah. The door is boarded up. The door is boarded up. Hey, terkejut aku nenek kau. It's a saw. Oh, I saw that. Dah aku You saw. Aku dah macam bapak-bapak dah suka buat deck jokes. Oh, shotgun. You know how to use it. You are not like the pilot. Bro, ambil je lah. Tembak semua. Pam. Kau macam pam. Pam. Okay. So aku nak buat apa dengan saw ni? Ni je lah caranya aku saw benda lah ni. Oh. Bang. Mari relax bang Mari relax Oh, dia hilang. It's a bottle of pills. You should take it back to the pilot. Kenapa ni? Kenapa dia? Hey. Aku ingat aku akan terapung tadi. Dia macam Betul dia. Dia macam aku macam tu lah. Okay bang, saya dapat bil lah bang. The pilot take the pills. Thank you. Get me to block 29. Sorry, I can't. I don't have a key. I don't have anything. Bro, useless lah kau ni. Useless. Kau tahu useless. Mau masa aku je tolong kau ni. Besides, I will let you. Who knows what you do? What are you talking about? You lied to me. I'm sorry. I don't deserve any of this. Stay away from Maddie. I've lost my leg for that girl. What have you lost? The pilot doesn't respond anymore. You don't need him. Okay. Kalau kita pergi sini, mari kita try kita pergi sini. Aha, ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. Hey. Block 29 elevator. Masuk dalam ni. Tak ada boleh apa-apa pula. Sekejap lagi. Oh, kita stay away. Why? I called you. Okay, sorry. Kita bitchy sikit. I called you because the bomb dropped. We are at war. I wanted to know if you were okay. That's the reason I called. Why do you think that means anything? You always think everything means something. I didn't want it to be like this. I shouldn't have called. I don't even know. Damn. I can't. I need you. I love you. I'm coming over. I can't sounds like macam tak boleh. Macam kalau kedua I love you macam creepy gila tu. You scare me. Stay away. Orang creepy stalker je cakap I love you, kau tahu. Lepas I need you. Dua ni, okay, confirm dua ni creepy. I'm coming over. Aku dah macam stalker dah. Okay. Elevator. Tengok ada jump scare sekejap lagi. Confirm. Aduh, aku rasa terberak pula. Aduh. Siut lah aku rasa terberak. Act 3 Savior. So kita dah on the way pergi ke Maddie. It's locked. Okay. Block 29 Resident 471. It's locked. 472. It's locked. 474. Lock. Hello? Anybody home? Siapa-siapa rumah? It's a packet of Mary's cigarettes. Mary? Ayam bucuk acam? Cinta hatiku? Cinta hatiku? Sayangku? Intan payungku? Awak memang suka lampu merah-merah ke? Mary has slightly opened the door. You can't see her, but you know she's there. I'm here. Dah lah, aku rasa macam aku di pempet tu. Get out of my apartment, please. Just leave me alone. What do you want from me? What the hell do you want? I protect you. Protect me? From what? I'm already safe because of that pilot. So, play girl gila kau ni. Kau keluar sekarang? Kau cakap kau. He lost his leg to keep me safe. Isn't that brave? He lost his leg for me. What am I even talking about? Leave me alone. Just go. Aku nak go mana? No. No. I won't leave you. I won't leave you until I get what I want. Dah lah, belajar lah. Pergi sini ke? Ini je lah option kita. Okay, so sila aku tak tahu aku nak kena buat apa. Aku kena cakap dengan dia selalu ke? Ke aku kena ambil sigaret ni? Tak. So aku kena cakap dengan dia. Mary. Ke aku kena masuk lalu? Oh. You could be so brave. So brave. Sort of flake. Papa psycho gila tu. Mary will love you for this. Bro, kita ke sebenarnya? Awak sayang saya tak sekarang? Awak sayang saya tak sekarang? Mary, I do anything for you. Oh my god. Mary, kesal boleh. Mary, saya sanggup buat apa saja untuk awak. Saya sanggup saja buat apa saja untuk awak. Bro, that's a clean cut, bro. That's a clean cut. Serious. It's not a clean cut lah, but dia potong ikut curve doh. Dia potong ikut curve doh. Like damn. Power gila. It's a large mirror. There's a pair of screwdrivers in front of it. Look into the mirror. You see your face. You look tired but tender, determined. Why can't Maddie love you? Look closer. It must be your eyes. They are muddy and bloodshot and weak. Your eyes look awful. But you can fix these imperfections. You can be flawless. And Maddie... oops, sorry, girl. Mary will love you. You just need to show her. Show them. Show them. Mary. Biar kau cakap yang aku. Kalau tak aku buat macam ni. No, for someone limp. For someone limp without his legs, it's kind of fast, you know. Like I'm sliding into her DM. Shhh. Tak boleh masuk. Siup tu lah. Aku dah limp macam ni pun tak boleh masuk. Mary, come look at me. I'll be perfect. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, screwdrivers. The screwdrivers look sharp enough. You will be perfect. Stay right eye. Aku terasa dah. It hurts. Mary will love you. Please stop. I'm begging you. I love you. Oh God. Please stop. I'll do whatever you want. Just stop. Please stop. I love you. I love you so much. I love you too, Maddie. I do this for you. Damn. He's such a psychopath, bro. Bunyi apa tu? Oh, Maddie nangis. Cold City. So game yang agak interesting, like perempuan tu aku tak tahu, mungkin kau boleh diam tak? Aku tengah cakap tau. Okay, game yang agak interesting lah, like aku tak tahu yang aku ni sebenarnya psikopat sebab dengan cara macam yang dia buat sekarang ni, like potong kaki untuk nak tunjukkan kan sebenarnya yang dia ni sayangkan si tu. Dia sanggup buat apa saja. So aku macam what? Okay, itu saja game kita untuk hari ni korang. Sorry kalau tak dapat banyak sebab aku tak berapa sangat mood nak main game banyak. So ini pun nasib baik dia cukup panjang. So aku harap korang terhibur. Kalau korang terhibur, make sure korang give a like, subscribe dan komen. So itu saja from Zeno out. See you guys soon.